Working at home, but your network can't handle a stable internet connection with your colleagues in video chat, streaming your cooking session with lags and low video quality, suffered from slow download speeds, new Wavlink router has a solution. With the AI QoE feature, you can be sure that your important work meeting, streams, and game sessions will go smoothly as always. Think about your child's internet behavior. With built-in Wavlink parental control, you can fastly manage his online activities. And no need to worry about your device security, because Wavlink AD Guard Home feature will protect you from any malware threads. Waiting for someone? As any guests are welcome in your house, you can provide them secure internet connection through a separate Wi-Fi guest network, staying away from any external threads. Link all your devices in one ecosystem with help of high-speed LAN ports up to 2.5 gigabits per second. From playing music to lighting and cleaning schedule, all of that can be easily managed with Wi-Fi 6 network. Wavlink AI Router makes your home a place where everything works just as it should.